So in this instance, the game that we're playing is entertaining. And by having some sort of discount or rebate on the money that we're putting in, we have maybe at minimum expectation to break even in the long term. And that's why I know you don't load $1,000 on the first day and keep playing through it. You load $1,000 the first day and the second day and the third day and the fourth day and play through each one of those each time, because that's new money in, instead of playing through that same money and losing the war of attrition to the mathematics gods. You're loading in new money and playing through that and using that to your advantage.
That's right. And I've seen math on the screen, points earning on the screen, at least with the cruise ship. I don't think it'll show MGM Rewards, but it would be interesting if it would show that as well as you are playing. What I've seen before is video poker along that rate of $10 equals a tier point. So if you make a $1,000 deposit, you do the math because America loves math. 1 tier point per $10 played, you deposited 1,000. At 100 tier points, you would stop playing, and then you would room charge to add another $1,000. You spread this out across the trip, and ideally, I think going under $10,000. I kept it under 10K on Celebrity. I came back, and they let me gamble again. So hopefully that'll be the case on this next one. But similar to the ideas we have with online gaming is that our initial deposit is bonused, and we're only going to play that initial deposit, not keep playing through the same money. We're looking at gambling as a tool to accomplish these goals of earning status, and in doing so, playing with an advantage rather than giving up money.
Absolutely. And the $10,000 mark, of course, is also important because you have to declare cash over $10,000 when you bring it back into the country.
Yes. The nice thing about the lower denom video poker is that we're very likely not going to go above that threshold, especially if we're playing a multiplay game where the royal flush isn't going to be as impactful. We've talked about that in the past. If we're to play $5 a hand single line video poker, well, the royal is going to be paying out a lot more, rather than if we were playing a multiplay game that was something like 5 cents, 25 cent, 5 credit. It'd be nice to run some gift cards through as well. If we were to find discounted celebrity gift cards and those can offset the room charges, that could be nice. Or what if we could just use MGM Resorts gift cards to pay for the room charges? I think that's an optimistic ask, but you never know.
You never know. That would be interesting. Or even we could take those gift cards and turning them into free play at the online casino. That once upon a time, that was a thing in land-based casinos. So maybe they're going to bring it back. Run it back.
Dead deals. MGM, you want me as a consultant? I have some ideas to get more people on the ship.
Marketing brilliance. Never sail a empty ship again.